So hey people, FYI, this is Lana, this is Layal, and this is me. So together, hopefully today, we'll combine into Superman in order to explain to you guys in front of us what the cell cycle is. But before we start, you guys have to know that the cell cycle is the lifespan of a dividing cell. Let me tell you exactly what we're going to do today. Obviously, we're going to talk about the cell cycle, but specifically, we're going to talk about interphase and its processes, mitosis and its processes, and cytokinesis. So let's start with interphase. Interphase consists of 3 phases. 1, 2, and 3. G1 is the first phase, the second phase is the S phase, and the G2 phase is the last phase. We're going to start talking about the first phase, the G1, which is basically the cell growth, where the cell increases in size, and there is the synthesis of protein and other organelles. Cause I'm happy. Okay. We're gonna talk about the second phase now, which is the S phase, where the DNA replication happens. New DNA is synthesized, and the chromosomes are replicated with twice the DNA. Then we have the last phase of interphase, which is the G2 phase, where the cell prepares for mitosis and it produces the organelles and molecules that are required for cell division. So now that we are done with interphase, let's move on to mitosis. Mitosis is the process by which the cell's nucleus divides, okay? And also, the mitosis consists of 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So we got a letter from the British Push Queen, who's going to talk to us about the prophase. So chromatin condenses into chromosomes, and the nucleolus disappears, and the nuclear envelope breaks down. The centrioles are separated. Spindle fibers are produced from the centrioles. Yep, it's all that simple. And by the way, prophase is the longest phase, and the next phase that I'm going to show you, which is the metaphase, is the shortest phase. But before I show you the metaphase, I'm going to show you a picture of prophase. Yep, there it is. And let's now go to metaphase. I'm going to talk to you about metaphase under the rainbow, which is and by the way, metaphase, as I said, is the shortest phase. In metaphase, the centrioles, they are in opposite sides of the cell. The chromosomes are lined up across the middle, and also the spindle fibers will connect to the centromere of the chromosome. See, over here you have this, the centrioles and the spindle fibers, and they're connected to the middle, which is the centromere of the chromosome. So we have another British Queen thing, which is going to talk to us about anaphase, which is the most, I'm telling you, emotional phase of them all. The sister chromatids will separate and become individual chromosomes and will be moved apart. Told you it's going to be emotional. Yep, so they're going to be moved apart and all of that. They're not going to be like one. And here is the picture. They are moved apart. Anyway, so I'm going to talk to you about telophase on this thunder lightning thing, because it's the end. So basically in telophase, the chromosomes will uncoil and change into chromatin. And also the nucleolus and the nuclear envelope will appear again. And the spindle fibers will break down and the 2 nuclei will form. Ta-da! There you go, these are the 2 nuclei, and you got the envelope and everything else. So now we're going to talk about cytokinesis, which is basically the process by which the cell's cytoplasm divides. But I'm going to talk first about how the animal cell's cytoplasm divides, and how the plant cells cytoplasm divides. So basically, in an animal cell, the cell membrane is drawn inward until the cytoplasm is pinched into equal parts. Yep, it's that simple, people, and you know that's a dog because he's an animal. And in plant cells, a cell plate forms between the divided nuclei, and the cell plate gradually develops into a cell membrane that separates the two daughter cells, and then a cell wall that it forms between the two new membranes, and then they are separated. Yeah, these are plants. So when a part of your liver is damaged, your body performs mitosis. There is where mitosis is used in your body. That's a process in order to restructure the damaged part. It takes about 6 months to heal. And something that makes your liver get damaged is actually, as most of all of you know, smoking. Anyways, thank you for watching, everyone, and you guys love each other. And don't break anyone's hearts, because, you know, they only have one. But you can break their bones. They have 306. Anyways, so this is LAYAL, and she gave us the information for mitosis. LANA gave us the information for interphase and cytokinesis. And this is a MOA. And I edited the video or presentation. Bye.